Why spend a fortune on a new kitchen when our specialist paint spraying service can create a whole new look for a fraction of the cost of a new kitchen and with minimal disruption to your home? By using the latest recoating and refurbishment techniques, we can respray your kitchen doors, drawer fronts, shelving units, plinths, cooker hoods and end panels. We can respray solid wood, MDF, laminate and foil coated items. Our service is not a quick makeover, but a long-term finishing solution. We use lead-free industrial standard acid catalyst paints, sold only to professional users, which create a highly durable, washable finish which will last for years to come. We can colour match to Farrow and Ball, Little Green, Dulux and Crown, with a selection of beautiful, smooth factory finishes. All removable items are taken away to be resprayed in our purpose-built unit and returned and refitted within 7 days. Our experienced paint technicians will visit your home for 1 day to remove doors, drawers, etc., carefully mask the surrounding areas of your fitted kitchen, and prep, prime and respray any fixed items using a portable extractor unit to minimize dust and fumes. We offer tailor-made packages. If you wish to reduce the cost of your kitchen project, we're happy for you to remove and refit your kitchen items yourself and deliver and collect from our premises. Please see our website for further details. Other services we provide include removal of old door handles, refilling of holes and fitting of new handles, making good and repairing any damaged items, furniture spraying including colour matching your dining room table and chairs. Please visit our website www.paintspraydesigns.com for further information and obtain a quote. Paint Spray Designs have been offering this service to kitchen manufacturers for many years and are now making it available to the general public.